How are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you doing, sir?
Good too. So, NLU Delhi, finally, you are going to NLU Delhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. चलो, everything is done और भी कुछ बचा हुआ है?
So the second installment was due today, so
Okay,
that's happening. And then I think in due course of time, they'll give us details about the admission process and other details. I think will come.
okay, okay. तो when is the first class? ऐसा कुछ mention किया है वो लोगों ने? कुछ नहीं?
बोला है कि with time they'll release a notification about classes. तो अभी तक कुछ नहीं आया है सर.
अभी तक कुछ नहीं आया है. Okay, okay. Second list आ चुका है या first list only? अभी तक?
First list, sir.
First list.
हाँ.
Okay. कितने rank तक गया है first list अभी तक? Have you checked it?
Yes, I think it 30-35 only if I'm not mistaken, sir.
अच्छा, so Nikita,
हाँ.
basically as you are going to NLU Delhi and you must be very happy regarding that, you really worked hard for it. I want to ask one thing, Nikita, is that how was the IELTS PG question paper basically? How was it this year?
Sir, in my opinion, it was very easy. Like I was expecting it to be a little difficult with a lot of competition. Because initially I was like, I don't want to give ALET because it's so difficult. There's no point in giving ALET at all, was my point of view. But when I saw the paper, it took me by shock because it was very easy in my opinion. So I think yes, sir. Comparatively, very easy.
And any stark difference that you have seen? कुछ ऐसा कुछ difference you have seen in comparison to the past year's paper? इस साल का कुछ ऐसा कुछ difference आपको feel हुआ?
Not really, sir, but I think CRPC और IPC के questions थोड़े कम थे शायद, sir. मतलब what I expected was a lot of CRPC and IPC for some reason, analyzing the previous year papers. But I think they were comparatively less. And the fact that the difficulty level was comparatively easier than previous years. So this seemed to be a difference maybe.
And what's your score, Nikita? IELTS PG में what's your score?
In ALET, sir?
IELTS. What's your score?
109.25, sir. 109.25.
Yeah, that's great. That's
yes,
great.
Sir.
So Nikita, I mean, as you also appeared for CLAT this time, right? So, and both the exams were not such difficult questions, but they have said more or less easy, and cutoff went really high. दोनों में ही cutoff बहुत ऊपर गया है, ठीक है? Now, how have you tackled both the exams? As you said कि आप पहले ही बोले कि मेरा IELTS उतना फोकस नहीं था, आप CLAT के लिए ज्यादा पढ़ रहे थे, ठीक है? Is there anything the CLAT preparation has helped ALET PG this time? ऐसा कुछ है?
Sir, in my opinion, I didn't separately prepare for ALET. So whatever we prepared, like say subjective, the basics for each subject, that, and even the recent judgments. So like they asked us the dissenting opinion in Sabrimala. So like all of these general GK questions that they asked from judgments that helped, and also basics, sir, I think whatever we did for CLAT, the same thing was here in my opinion. Like I didn't separately prepare excepting CRPC, because for CLAT I didn't focus as much on CRPC, but I knew that for ALET there needs to be a lot of CRPC done and IPC illustrations and all of that. So that was the only difference in my preparation in the last 1 week. Baki Pura was the same. I don't think there was any major difference. There was less emphasis on case laws in ALET, whereas in CLAT I was focused more on case laws. So major, that's it, sir.
Yeah. But another thing कि निकिता इस बार ALET में बहुत सारे recent cases से भी पूछा गया था, right? जैसे आपके लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल नीतीशा वाला एक क्वेश्चन था, right? उसके बाद आपका मराठा जजमेंट के भी एक क्वेश्चन थे, right? So somehow ALET भी कुछ ना कुछ recents where they were there in the ALET, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But like we already studied it at Juro Sets, all the judgments that we covered, these were all of those sort of landmark important judgments that we covered. So we knew the answer. It was easy for us.
Easy for us.
Like, oh shit, ये क्या है? हाँ. तो हो गया था सर वो easily.
I got it. कि हम लोग इतना elaborately इसको कवर किए थे, तो ये तो बहुत easy सवाल है जो हम लोगों को पूछा जा रहा है. True. So any particular, जैसे इस बार निकिता CLAT हुआ, CLAT के बाद ALET हुआ, ठीक है? You have prepared for both the exams, right? Nikita, you were there with us for so long time. आपको मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ कि एक टाइम था जिसमें शायद बहुत सारा सब्जेक्ट्स आपको पढ़ना था. Lot of subjects have to be studied, lot of judgments have to be studied, lot of revision, lot of mocks, each and everything. सो हाउ डिड यू टैकल अप दोस थिंग्स, बिकॉज ये नेक्स्ट ईयर भी आने वाला है स्टूडेंट्स को, आप 2022 एस्पिरेंट्स को क्या बोलोगे कि इस टाइम दौरान के एग्जाम के 2-3 महीने पहले से स्टार्ट होता है ये सिचुएशन कि हाँ 2-3 महीने पहले तो सब कुछ खत्म तो हो चुका है एक बार, बट लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैव टू बी रिवाइज्ड, ओके, हैव टू बी डन इन सिंक्रोनाइज्ड मैनर। तो आप उस टाइम आप क्या किए थे, और 2020 एस्पिरेंट्स को आप बेसिकली क्या गाइड करना चाहते हो कि ये सारा चीज कैसे मैनेज करें वो लोग?
So, sir, I would first suggest that you need to start your preparation well in advance. It's not like a one night game or like a 1 month game. It's supposed to be done well in advance. I started my personal studies 1 year prior. So it was slow with my college academics. It went on slowly. Like I finished jurisprudence and 1 or 2 important subjects. And I joined research in around January, sir. So from January, full force I started my preparation. And in the first 2-3 months, I would try to cover all the important, like I would watch the lectures. Because I think the way the faculties have taught each and every subject, I still remember the illustrations in my head, like that's how they teach. So that took me a lot of time because I wanted to listen to all the lectures. So that, and then we had evening every day, we had our live classes going on. And whenever I would get time, I would try reading judgments. And even for that, we had classes going on. So like as homework, we had to on our own read judgments too. So I think, sir, planning is very important over here because you have to manage your college work along with this. We were lucky enough to have it postponed to by like 2 months, I guess, June, July, yeah. June. Okay, we had it postponed. So we had that extra time with us. If not for that, it would have gotten very difficult. So you need to plan well in advance, plan each of your days well. And I used to give around 7 to 8 hours per day in the initial phase to be able to cover the basics. And then once the judgments came, again, it took more time because I had to read the judgments too, listen to classes too. So again, like 10 hours it went up to. Then in the last 2-3 months of revision, it was terrorizing. 10 to 12 subjects, 150 plus judgments, and also these other random judgments that I had no idea of. They used to keep coming up. And also recent events like the whole WhatsApp privacy issue and all those recent events you had to cover with subjective answers. Because until I think March, we were preparing for that also. So it was everything together. So I think you need to start in advance again, the same thing. And I think, sir, revision, I think you need to do minimum 2 or 3 revisions. So I aimed at doing 3 or 4 revisions. So I gave my symbiosis exam first so that I had to prepare the entire thing. 10 days later, I had CLAT. So again, I had to prepare. I had sort of 2 revisions between symbiosis and CLAT. And then again, I had ALET as my last exam 1 week later. So I this way had 4 revisions before ALET. So I was pretty confident with my basics. मतलब हाँ आता है तो हो जाएगा वैसे. So I think, so revision is the biggest key, and also like make your own notes because in the end you won't have time to go through everything. So I used to make elaborate notes during my revision. I used to like concise them. So ultimately, I only had 20 pages of notes to finally refer to before the exam to like refresh my memory. So I think all of these, and also, sir, the mocks. In the last 2-3 months, I think mocks were the best thing because I used to give 1 mock every day almost, and half an hour to analyze the previous day's mock. I used to plan that way. And analysis maybe, suppose I got a few answers wrong or a few important ones I didn't know, I would make a list of all of them in a Word document. So heading wise, taki at the end I would go, maybe like regularly, I would just keep skimming through them. And when you keep seeing things, you remember them. So by the end of it, I knew all of those 120, 130 MCQs that I had written down. So I knew them now. So I think you need to strategize well, and it won't be as difficult then. Now that I look back, it wasn't as difficult also, I guess.
Great. So you have just given the proper plan because you need to strategize accordingly because there are a lot of subjects, judgments बहुत होंगे, बहुत सारा चीज होंगे. एक चीज है आपको प्रायोरिटी तो देना ही पड़ेगा कुछ सब्जेक्ट्स को, कुछ चीज को आपको प्रायोरिटी देना पड़ेगा, उस हिसाब से you have to strategize and plan accordingly, right? Yeah, that's great. So Nikita, that you have also mentioned in the very beginning कि इस बार आईलेट में थोड़ा सीआरपीसी का सवाल कम था जो क्लैट में ज्यादा था, ठीक है, राइट? एंड बोथ द एग्जाम्स हैव देयर सो मच के सीआरपीसी क्लैट में उतना कभी नहीं पूछा गया है जिस बार 2021 में पूछा गया है, और शायद इस बार एलेट में सीआरपीसी और आईपीसी जितना कम पूछा गया है जैसा कभी नहीं पूछा गया था, ठीक है? Now, what you going to suggest to 2022 aspirants? के दोनों एग्जाम का पैटर्न थोड़ा बहुत चेंज होता रहता है all the time, right? What are you going to say to 2022 aspirants regarding their preparation? कैसे start करें, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या? What are the things?
So even when you look at the last year students and their reviews, it was unpredictable. I mean, the sample paper was something, the question was again something else. So you can't predict these exams, I guess, especially CLAT. Like we keep telling कि कुछ भी हो सकता है CLAT में, कुछ नहीं पता.
Yeah.
So similarly, so like this time I think we had 2 or 3 comprehensions from CRPC, which was not at all expected. So similarly, I would suggest the aspirants to not, limit yourself कि बस ये आया है last time तो इस time भी यही आएगा. Just be open to everything, and like you will tell us what are the important subjects, you will train us with the basics, so we'll have to work on that, and I think it will be fine. So don't narrow down yourself, just keep yourself open to whatever is coming. And also important relevant recent subjects like corporate, IPZ, arbitration, those are also I think a little important or could be in the days to come. So maybe even those could be your area of interest, area of focus, sorry. So I guess yes sir, that way.
That's great. That's great. Nikita, another thing that that's a very important change that we have seen, क्योंकि हम लोग के पास आपके क्लैट पीजी के रिगार्डिंग 2 पेपर थे, that is 2020 का सैंपल पेपर and 2020 का मेन पेपर, right? And then we have another one 2021 that have done. Now 3 papers were quite different in itself, right? कि एक में रीसेंट जजमेंट्स, मतलब एक वाइड एडवांस लेवल का रीसेंट जजमेंट से क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है सैंपल पेपर में. 2021 पेपर, हाँ रीसेंट जजमेंट्स थे, बेसिक्स भी थे, और आपके क्वेश्चन पेपर में बेसिक्स वेर मोर देन द रीसेंट जजमेंट्स. ओके, सो now these 3 things combined 2022 के लिए what you want to suggest? As you said, also unpredictable. Any particular thing that you want to share to 2022 aspirants?
Sir, I think reading speed and comprehension and analytical skills are very important, because even if you look at the previous paper or this year's paper, if you would have read the passage carefully twice or thrice, you could have answered a few questions over there. So I think one thing common definitely is your reading and comprehension abilities. If you're good with that, because even this time I fell short of time in CLAT. There was a little time management issue on my end. So again, reading speed will be very important, and otherwise also I think recent judgments are very important. This time, so they asked, I think, not as important judgments also in CLAT from the 2021 times. So focus on the latest judgments also for CLAT precisely. Even though they might not go into depth like it went in 2020, but they will still ask you कि मतलब ये case में क्या हुआ था, and you should know that. So I think that could be one thing, so that you do not leave recent judgments and your comprehension abilities.
That's great. That's great, because these are very important thing that you have suggested. Reading skills, comprehension, analytical skills, they're going to get tested on that. Maybe uske saath legal knowledge, so definitely that is going to get added. Even subjective part bhi add hone wala hai, probably, who knows, next year. Okay, so a lot of the game would be totally different than whatever you have played on. Now Nikita, आपके CLAT के स्कोर और CLAT के रैंक उतना एक्सपेक्टेड हिसाब से अच्छा नहीं गया था, राइट? एंड यू पीपल ऑल्सो, आप तो खुद कॉल किए थे मुझे एंड कि सर अच्छा नहीं गया, एंड द नेक्स्ट इज एलिट, एंड आल्सो आपका क्लैट टारगेट था, एलिट से ज्यादा क्लैट का टारगेट ज्यादा था, एंड वी हैव डन लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. उसके बाद क्लैट अच्छा नहीं गया, एंड व्हाट चेंज्ड इन द 7 days? वो 7 दिन में क्या चेंज हुआ?
So sir, frankly, you once told us that how much you study, the game is of those 2 hours. What you do in those 2 hours will be the changing point. So for CLAT, I didn't do those 2 hours well. Like I had 12 questions on the question paper. I couldn't do them on the answer sheet. So I had done it on the OMR sheet. So 12 marks, and they were correct. They were correct when I cross-checked them. So that changed. That was one major reason. My preparation was good, and in that last 1 week, sir, I focused majorly on CRPC. So that, and also illustrations, because what I noticed was in the previous papers, they used to ask a lot of illustrations, like copy paste from the BEAR Act sort of on those lines. So I focused on the illustrations, Constitution ka BEAR Act अच्छे से again, because ALET was more so on like legal knowledge part and not analytical part as such. So I tried emphasizing on that, and I learned from my previous mistake कि मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा review बार-बार नहीं करने का, जो है लिख दो. If you're very doubtful, let it be. So I think I learned from that. and I kept myself calm, and the time management in that 1.5 hour was well, I did it pretty properly. So I think that helped me ultimately, sir. And even like after CLAT, we were very demotivated, sir, because it was a shock. And I remember we had that one session with you wherein, or longer, I think, you tried to calm us down. Ki it's okay. You have one more exam, focus on that. So I think that brought us back to ठीक है अभी एक और exam है, focus करो, and then you cry and do whatever you want to. So that also helped, I guess, sir.
Yeah. And Nikita, you were there. I mean, that particular CLAT exam and the ALET exam, that happens. And I told that day also, okay, you never know, okay, that 2 hours is spent badly and that 2 hours you spent really great. And that the difference is you can see it by yourself, कि क्या हो सकता है. But कोई एग्जाम देने के बाद you cannot determine your preparation or define your preparation by one competitive exam itself. कि आप कभी define ही नहीं कर सकते हो. No one and nothing can define just one exam. Okay, आपके बहुत, because we know कि how much hard work that our students have put. Okay, क्योंकि हम लोगों को पता है कितना किए. We don't know other students, but we know our students. Okay, and you are doing consistently well in the mocks as well. Okay, so the preparation was there. Sometimes it clicked, sometimes it didn't, but एक में तो एक click होगा, right, at the end of the day. Yeah, so that's very good. So Nikita, I mean, you were there for at least more than 6 months, 7 months here with us. Okay, how's your experience total, that journey? How was it?
So after CLAT, if you remember, I messaged you. Irrespective of whether I clear CLAT or not, the knowledge I have gotten over here is unmatchable. It sort of, in like very dramatic terms, made me fall in love with law again. Because that's how it was, that every faculty, the course material, especially judgments. I never knew the importance of judgments before. But now when you look at the judgments, they're so beautiful. I mean, like when you read through them, it's from your textbook. Textbook material is a little too theoretical. And here, it's just different, sir. So when you read constitution from textbook and from judgments, there's a difference, I feel. And judgments make you more connected to law because it's practical application of law. So that in every faculty here, the way they teach, their experience, their knowledge, very nice, sir. I'm not getting words currently, but yes, sir. And similarly, the personal attention you and Arohi ma'am gave each one of us was again something which is a cherry on the top, like I already told you. So yes, sir, it was a very good experience, and I wasn't very well versed with corporate law. I was scared, I think, of corporate law in general in my law school days. Similarly, I was not very well versed with IPC and CRPC also because they weren't taught in that much depth during our law school. But now I'm a confident law student, so I know all my subjects, and my major credit will go to Jurisage only because we were taught all of that in good detail in easier, simpler terms. And yes, we could connect well with it through the live lectures because all our questions were also answered then and there. I personally emailed a lot of faculties to clear my doubts, despite the fact that the classes were over, and they always replied. So the connection that we have and how helpful the entire team is. So I think I would definitely want to suggest every aspiring CLAT or ALET PG aspirant to join Jurisage because it changed me personally, knowledge-wise, and I hope it does change them too, sir.
So it's a very, I mean, we are grateful to help you basically, Nikita. When this journey, it's not about easy because we have, you also know there are a lot of classes, more than 600, 700 classes that you have done. Okay. And also, उसके बाद इतने the judgments and the case books and the mocks, the comprehension mocks, MCQ mocks, okay. उसके बाद revision classes चल रहे थे. आपके तो शायद last class probably 10 या 15 तारीख तक हुआ था. आपके exam के 7-8 दिन तक चला. Even mocks were there. Mocks भी चल रहे थे तब तक, definitely. So all those things were there. So the people we have done, we know कि हम लोग जितना हो सकते थे in that level, in that year, क्योंकि इतने सारे subjects एक साल में cover up करना, जो शायद एक law school को 3-4 साल लगते हैं, we have to do it in the 10 months probably to make you prepare in those subjects. So whatever possible on our part, we have done it. But another most important thing is you people, okay? Because हम लोग तो देते हैं, but आपको वो execute करना होता है, right? आपको वो पढ़ना पड़ता है. And in that case, I'll tell you, people have done fantastically. The reason being is that, yeah, okay, well, there are a lot of students, they can't be able to do it or cannot go with us in that fashion. हम लोग जैसे जाते हैं, but the people who are really interested to do well, they really interested to gain the knowledge, they really do interested to change their life, because it's true Nikita के ऐसा नहीं कि आप जो मैसेज किए थे ना वो वाला, that I also know कि it's not about sir कि whatever we are getting the rank or not getting the rank, but this 1 year has changed the life, okay, and this message we have got from maximum student कि सर रैंक आता है नहीं आता है, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर, बट ये एक साल और whatever the time period that we have with with Juris Edge basically change the perspective about the whole legal subjects that we have, and that is one of the greatest achievement that we had so far. Okay, रैंकिंग तो है, आई नो कि इतना अच्छा से है, आप लोग इतना मेहनत कर रहे हो तो रैंक तो आएंगे, बट दिस इज द बेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट वी हैव got so far from the 2021 aspirant. Seriously. Okay. So any specialization, what specialization you have took basically, Nikita? कौन सी specialization लियो?
We didn't get the option yet, sir, to choose, but I'll go with constitutional law, sir. That's a very favorite, like a personal favorite subject. So I'll go with that.
Okay, and after that, what you are willing to do? LLM
Academics, sir.
That's great. Academics. So you are also going for the UGC probably, right?
Yes.
Okay. UGC के लिए have you got the course link? आपको एक ये में आया है, आप announcement section check करना है आपके, you will get it there.
Okay, I'll check, sir. हाँ.
Okay. So because UGC course just recently launched हुआ है, कल से class start हुआ है, ठीक है? So you can
for 2021 and 2022, sir.
हाँ एक साल का है, ठीक है? तो आप कभी भी दे सकते हो, एनी टाइम, ठीक है? तो आप यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक इट आउट, हाँ आप वो चेक कर सकते हो, सो दैट इज आल्सो देयर, बट ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर जर्नी. एनी टाइम इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प, जस्ट मैसेज, ओके?
Definitely
I'll be there to help you out, okay, and this team will be there to help you out, okay? Any other thing that you want to share?
Yes. That's it. I think you need to be confident in yourself, and you need to trust the entire process and enjoy the process. And I think you need to have a very strong goal in mind, because it's a journey. It's not like a small time. This was one of the most difficult journeys academically in my life, I feel, because the consistency you have to put, the number of hours you have to put, it's a little difficult. And you like, बीच में you're like, why am I doing this? I don't want to do this.
हम लोग थोड़ा ज्यादा आपको मेहनत करवाते हैं ना.
हाँ, उसे वो चाहिए था सर, बट वो होता है ब्रेकडाउन कभी कि क्यों क्या. So again, and you would be there to again motivate us कि मतलब there's a reason why you're doing this, focus on that and go ahead with it. So I think you need to have a very strong purpose to do it, and you need to focus and like calm yourself down and keep going ahead. So yeah, like patience and consistency, I think, will be the best friends in this journey.
Great. So it's great to hear from you, Nikita. Okay, all the best for your future endeavors. आप अच्छे से बनो and do whatever you're going to do. Just keep posting us regarding your future achievements as well. Okay. So thank you.
Sir, definitely, sir.
See you soon, and all the best for your regular daily LLM. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much to Juris Edge for this whole journey, sir.
Thank you.